Welcome to this updated tutorial on how to check WhatsApp's end-to-end encryption. Ensuring your messages are secure is crucial in today's digital age, and WhatsApp provides a robust way to do just that. Let's dive into the simple steps to verify that your chats are encrypted. First, open the WhatsApp app on your device. Once you're in, select the chat you want to verify. This could be any conversation you have with friends, family, or colleagues. Tap on the contact's name at the top of the screen to open their contact info. Now, scroll down to the bottom of this screen. You'll see an option labeled Encryption. Tap on it to proceed. Here, you'll find information about the encryption status of your chat. WhatsApp uses end-to-end encryption, meaning only you and the recipient can read the messages. No one else, not even WhatsApp itself, can access them. To add an extra layer of security and verify that the encryption is working correctly, you can scan a QR code. This step ensures that you're communicating with the right person and that the encryption keys are authentic. To do this, have the other person open their WhatsApp app, go to the same chat, and tap on their contact info. Then, they should also navigate to the encryption section. Now, on your device, tap Scan QR Code and point your camera at the QR code displayed on the other person's screen. If everything is set up correctly, you'll see a confirmation message indicating that the codes match. This verification process is essential because it confirms that your communication is secure and that no one is intercepting your messages. By following these steps, you can ensure that your WhatsApp conversations are protected with end-to-end encryption. This feature is a powerful tool for maintaining privacy in your digital communications. Remember, if you ever notice any discrepancies in the verification process, it might be due to changes in the other person's device or account settings. In such cases, simply refresh the code by sending a new message and then rescanning it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and updates.